Yo, welcome back, E-Tribe. Hope you all are doing great. This is E-Vlog coming to you live, and it is time for us to check out the next episode on Boku no Hero Academia. Without further ado, let's check out episode 97 and see what took place. So far, the fights has actually been pretty alright. This training thus far, the fight has been decent. Of course, they are not fighting to kill each other, just to demobilize the other team. Just watch them, Deku. Yeah. Kachin will be fighting on this episode. I am definitely looking forward to see how far he's come. You know, and you guys rest assured know that he's going to be trash talking while he's fight, while he's fighting and stuff like that. And we're going to see how the other team as well, or how Kachin's team has evolved, because that's what this training is all about, right? Evolving. He's really desperately running for his life. All right, early bird. He's really talking trash. It's like this character Nieto, they continue to knock his ass out each and every episode because he just won't keep his mouth shut. Bakugo. He's the way he talks to his fellow teammates, he just doesn't. He should remember that they need to work together. He's yelling at them and stuff. Move and make one. Okay, make your own opening. So they are going to be the attacker here. She can hear them running through. Yeah. Oh, there are vibrations everywhere. I think they are doing that to, yeah, deter her mobilization. Mm, into pieces. Wow. She can now split into 50 pieces. That's a pretty interesting ability to split your whole body. But, hmm, soy. They have been cornered. That's what it looks like right now. Okay, that's good. Not touching it, but using his fire to negate their attacks. Oh, Bakugo. All Might discussed about that with him. Oh, I forgot what season it was. I will save you. Mm. Uh, that's how someone who's really strong wins. Come on, Baku. I like his spirit right now. I like his spirit. And he always had that strong, you know, aura to him. Here he comes talking like they should just knock him out. because of his strong will. So they're going to try out outflank them. Mm. And again, Jiro cannot detect exactly where they are. Ikazuha. Ikazuha. Here he comes. Oh, Bakugo better watch out though. He shouldn't be hasty. Mm. They need to rescue Bakugo right away. Sui! Sui! Come on. Mm. When I'm in danger. That means. Mm. That wave is going to take him. Yep. That punk is running. Oh. Oh, he's gonna body slam him. Oh. You need to put him inside the cage. Yeah, you need to catch him. Sui! Sui! Oh man. Sui! Oh. Mm. Oh. This guy also knows something about the other girl that splits her body into 50 pieces. Soy. Oh. Soy. Man, that is. Uh, mm, wow. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So who is next? His face. Mm. What's with him? What you came here to say? I won't let you beat me. Oh man, he just can't control his reactions and everything. But I gotta say that he's grown a bit. Bakugo has grown quite a bit, and we're going to see who fights next. What's his job? He just talks, huh? Scary. Midoriya. That's true. He has also learned long distance attack. So our top right. Hmm. He doesn't want to be brainwashed. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. After hearing that, he got his blood flowing. Fifth battle. Is the last match of the day. Are you ready? Sorry. All right, guys. There you have it. Now I gotta say that the fourth matchup, it was very very good, and it was quickly done too. I guess you can say that Bakugo has improved very much, and he's not taking no for an answer. And actually, to see him work as a team, he is actually a good candidate, right? And a good team worker, because not only was he able to motivate his team to believe in themselves, as well, he made sure that he's not too proud to be saved. Understand this. He was not too proud to ask for help or to ask his teammate, hey, if I get in trouble, make sure you save my ass. Okay? And if you get in trouble, I will do the best I can as well to be there to save you. So we have to save each other if one of us are in trouble. And that's what really makes a team, you know? Because of that, they put their life to save each other each and every time, and that's why in the end they all made it out alive. Because if they were saying, okay, if they had said you're on your own, you can save yourself if you get in trouble, then that will not work. Now, the preview of episode 98. Go beyond. Yeah, the fifth match coming up, it's going to be interesting because on the other side you have Shinso, who has the ability to brainwash people, and he could even use it to attack. That you can he can use the other team to attack each other, or use his ability, right, to brainwash the other team member, and that team member will attack his own team member. Like, you know what I mean? And not just that, the other blonde short hair guy has the ability to copy quirk, because he's a conjurer. And you remember, they have decided that Deku will be their main priority, because once they take him out of action, that will definitely leave a lot of room to take on the other three, because the other one has ability to glue, the other one has the ability to, I believe, stick or wash, and the other one has, I forgot what the other girl has. But Deku is their main priority. He's the one who they will be gunning for, and that will either force Deku and his teammate to protect him, or if they are coming for him, he might as well fight to defend his team, which will be what Deku will be doing. And now, Deku, with that gadget that he has, it won't be too much strenuous on his body, right? Because that gadget allows him to use his quirk and use it to the max without not demobilizing his muscle tissues and all of that stuff. And also, Deku now has the ability to attack or do long distance attack, right? So he doesn't necessarily need to get close to someone in order to mount an assault on them. So there you have it, guys. Feel free to let me know what y'all think about this fourth matchup, and I look forward to see the next upcoming one. So on that note, stay safe, stay classy, and keep on keeping on.